Are you a 9 to 5 employee looking to break free from the limitations of your current income? Have you ever wondered to yourself, scrolling through social media, why do some people have it all but not me? And are you constantly looking online for business opportunities that just truly resonate with your goals in mind? Well, if you've ever considered entrepreneurship but weren't captivated by oversaturated paths like e commerce or drop shipping or Amazon, this webinar could be a game changer for you. If you're in search of a new income stream as the market is slowing down, you're in the right place. Say goodbye to the costly, vague courses that leave you feeling adrift, and let's discover a recession proof venture that you can start making money in your very first month, allowing you the flexibility to run it on your own terms, be it part time or full time. So, are you ready to discover an incredible opportunity to make over $20,000 a month? And the best part is you can achieve this with zero overhead, no employees, work remotely, without a boss breathing down your neck. You won't even have to create a product or invest your money in a risky asset. So now imagine this, receiving $4,200 commission check from a business in desperate need of a new truck. And with the current high demand and shortage of trucks, this opportunity arises on a daily basis. But that's not all. You can also secure $5,500 from an aspiring restaurant owner who requires renovations and equipment. And if that's not enough, a manufacturing business will pay you $9,600 for much needed piece of machinery. All this happens in just 1 month. Not your first month, but you will get there. Now, here's the exciting part. You don't need any prior knowledge about any of this equipment. I bet you're wondering, what is this business and how can I make such impressive earnings? Well, let me introduce you to the world of equipment finance, where small businesses constantly seek financial assistance to purchase equipment that will propel their growth. Most traditional banks will shy away from lending to these businesses due to their unique financial situation. They may be too new, like a startup, carry on too much debt, or just have insufficient income. And this is where alternative lending steps in as a solution. Banks may be part of the problem, but you can become the hero by becoming a home based financing solution exclusively for businesses that need equipment. You don't need to be an expert in the equipment types and equipment specifics. All you need is a willingness to learn. There's approximately 31 million small businesses in the United States. And among these, a significant portion requires various types of equipment to operate efficiently. Ranging from machinery um, to manufacturing equipment, transportation equipment, construction equipment, food service, aircrafts, agriculture, marine vessels. And really, their success directly impacts the overall economy. And you know what their biggest challenge is? They need money to grow. Although they have a few options like turning to friends and family or seeking a traditional bank to lend them money, these methods often fall short. And that's why they turn to alternative lending. And equipment financing stands out as one of their most crucial needs. So, equipment financing is also one of the easiest types of financing to get approved. And why? It's because if a client fails to pay their monthly fee, the lender can simply go in and collect the equipment to recover their investment. It's a win win situation. And now here's where you come in. So, to become an equipment finance broker, you don't need any certifications, degrees, or any specific backgrounds. There's no licensing requirements like in other industries, such as mortgage brokers, real estate agents, or insurance brokers. With the right guidance and systems in place, you can run this business from anywhere in the world without overhead or employees. So I bet you're itching to know how this business works and how you can start to make commission checks of $2,000 up to $50,000 per deal. So generating revenue within the first 30 days is possible, but allow me to introduce myself. My name is Neil Chohan. I stumbled upon equipment financing when I was disillusioned by my career as an accountant. So I joined a bank that was in the equipment finance division and I learned the ins and outs of the process. only to discover after the first few months that the brokers I worked with were the ones making all the money. Intrigued by this, I dived headfirst into mastering the process, and to this day, I have secured over $200 million in funding personally. So, as I continued to work with brokers, I realized they really lacked the necessary knowledge in equipment financing, in how to get the deal closed. And that's when I decided to train them. I took one company to $100 million in funding in 1 year. And the systems I teach really have enabled brokers and some to become the fastest growing companies in the country. So, why am I sharing this with you? Well, because it's crucial to learn from someone who has mastered the industry and can guide you through the entire process step by step to make sure that you have success. So, here's what I have to offer. You'll receive all the tools you need to generate leads immediately. I'm going to provide you with customized documents like checklists, applications, email scripts, sales scripts that are going to set you apart from the competition and put you as a top 10% equipment finance broker. Additionally, we'll connect you with reliable partners who can fund your deals while you focus on expanding your client base. But the most important thing is I want to guide you through the entire equipment finance process from A to Z. I want you to become an expert in this industry. So our comprehensive training program is going to include hundreds of videos covering everything from client consultation to the required documents for the lenders, financial statement analysis, and various financing strategies. You'll have the knowledge and expertise to position yourself as the go-to person for businesses in need of equipment financing. So, in a world filled with vague courses and uncertain paths, our program stands out as a proven recession-proof business opportunity. This industry is thriving and it's not going away anytime soon. The average age of someone in this industry is 50 plus years old, so they're retiring and market share is going to open up. Even during an economic downturn, businesses still require equipment, and traditional banks often can't provide them or don't want to provide them with the necessary funding. And this is where you come in as a valuable resource. So, are you ready to build a successful equipment finance brokerage and help businesses thrive while making a lucrative income? Click on the button below to schedule a one-on-one call with me. And as a thank you for watching this webinar, I'm going to give you a copy of my free book. I'm only looking to work with individuals who genuinely want to help their clients while achieving their own financial success. And here's the best part. You can start this business with no upfront capital. You don't need to have a marketing expense. It all can be done with your time until you've generated revenue, then start to reinvest that in your business to bring in more money. So don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Click the button below and let's get started.